For years, every spring meant one thing: back-breaking, hours-long labor. I was digging out layers of mucky, soggy waste just to reset for a season. I thought this was just the price of keeping sheep. But I reached a breaking point this spring, and I decided it was time to build a better way. So I contacted my friends, and we started the project. So building this wasn't just about putting wood together and making a box. It was about observing the sheep. I needed to find out, how do we keep their wool cleaner? How do we waste less hay? How do we make this a more organized feeding situation, causing less disturbances among the herd, less danger for me? What did we need to do? The front flat face of the feeder was great, but we were still losing hay out the back, and the sheep were having too much pressure on their neck and throat area when they were eating. But if we lowered it, then what would we do, because more hay would start spilling out the front? We decided that we needed to make a little scoop that their necks could sit down in and they could comfortably eat, and then they wouldn't be so prone to pull their heads out. So you can see there that we cut a round scoop, and we created those scoops by using a paper plate. My friend came up with that idea, and it worked absolutely perfect. She folded the paper plate in half and traced around it, and that's how we got our scoops. So my very wise and very in-tune friends came up with this next idea to put the slide in, the angled boards in the back, and that way the sheep can eat. They can nudge with their noses, and it goes up the back slant a little bit, but it comes right back down naturally, and we don't lose the hay out the back or in the corners of the hay feeder. So this is how much hay waste there is after the sheep using this new system for 6 weeks. That's it, you guys. This is it. That is hardly anything compared to what it used to be. I was able to rake it up in about 3 minutes, and it equaled 2 shovelfuls. I can handle wasting 2 shovelfuls of hay every 6 weeks. This system is proving to be absolutely miraculous for every issue I was having. I'm going to add in right here that Lucy, who is actually my daughter's dog, but she is a little sheep herder, and I am bringing her in with me every single time I go anywhere near the sheep now. She protects me and keeps me from getting head-butted and split lips or black eyes anymore from getting run over. And she is super good at it. By now you're probably asking yourselves, exactly how much did this cost? Well, if we had gotten all new materials, the cost would have been right around the $3,000. By repurposing our own supplies, we did it for about $170. Most of that was spent on screws and the ridge cap. Drill bits and screwdriver heads also can be thrown in that. It took patience, creativity, and a lot of help from my friends. But with faith, a little hard work, prayer each morning, we turned someone else's scrap into our best build yet. So my 2 friends and I have done this more than once. They helped me build a beautiful greenhouse in a home that I used to live. They've helped me build the little barn that we have now. They have helped me do so many things, and it's always done the same way: prayer every morning and repurposing everything. I can never thank them enough. They are so humble. They don't want to be on the video. And I just love them, and I just hope that they know how grateful I am to them. And they are the most amazing people. I'm just taking video of us doing this really quick. I was wondering that, kind of, if